Hey there, Excel enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel where we make Excel easier than pie charts at a math convention. I'm Wesley, and today we're diving into the wonderful world of Excel functions. Today's star attraction is none other than the CONCAT function. But before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's take a moment to appreciate the beauty of spreadsheets. The CONCAT function in Excel is like your trusty sidekick for combining text from different cells into a single cell. It's like a mixtape for your data. Download. The syntax is simple. It goes like this: equals CONCAT, opening parenthesis, text1, comma, text2, and so forth, close parentheses, where text 1 and 2 are the cells or text that you want to combine. You can use up to 255 arguments. Let's count them. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 253, 254, 255. Shoo-wee! Let's jump right into an example. Suppose you're tracking superhero names, and you want to combine Captain and Excel into one cell. Easy peasy. All you're going to do, equals CONCAT, open parentheses, cell A1, comma, to separate them, cell B1, and then close your parentheses. Press enter, and there you've got it, Captain Excel. It's like Iron Man meets Excel. What a combo!
I am Iron Man.
Now, you can also add spaces or other characters between your text. Just put them inside quotes within the CONCAT function, like this. Say equals CONCAT, open parentheses, cell A2, comma, quotation, space, quotation, comma, B2, close parentheses. Press your enter, voila, Captain Excel with a space. And there you have it, folks, the fantastic CONCAT function in Excel. It's like the cherry on top of your data cake. Remember to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more. Until next time, keep those spreadsheets amazing, and may your formulas always be error-free. Thanks for tuning in. We'll catch you in the next video.